How to back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So the first thing you're going to have to do is long press on your WhatsApp application, tap on the eye icon to head over to your app info, then simply head over to permissions. After that, go to Photos and Videos. Make sure that you have always allowed the access. Make sure it's not on don't allow or limited access. Make sure all of your photos and videos access is allowed to WhatsApp. Now do the same thing for your Google Photos. Long press on it and then tap on the eye icon to head over to app info. Go to permissions and then photos and videos. Make sure that it's always allowed. After this, open up your WhatsApp application and then go to the chat where you want to save the picture or back up the picture from. So let me just go to this chat and then open up this picture right here. I'm just going to go ahead and long press on it and then save this to gallery. Once you've saved this video as this photo to your gallery, all you have to do now is go ahead and check it on your gallery. And as you guys can see here, the photo has been saved to my gallery. So what I'm going to do now is go to my Google Photos. Once you have done that, if your backup is turned on Google Photos, you should be able to find this photo on your Google Photos. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.